Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Jessriel Bueno, a second year BS IT student. So today I'm going to teach you on how to make your own straight through cable. These are the things you'll need. Ethernet cable, crimping tool, scissor, optional, wire stripper, optional, Ethernet cable tester. RJ45 connectors. This is a very super useful skill to have, especially if you ever need a cable of a specific length or want to save some money. So grab a seat and let's get started. Step 1. Prep the cable. Alright, first things first, grab your Ethernet cable and figure out how long you need it to be. Remember, you'll want some slack for maneuvering, so don't cut it too short. Once you have your desired length, use the cable stripper to carefully remove about an inch of the outer jacket. So in my case, the wire stripper is built in my crimping tool. Step 2. Untwist and arrange the wires. There are 4 pairs of colored wires inside a cable jacket. For a straight-through cable, we need them in a specific order. There are actually 2 common wiring schemes, the 568A and 568B. We'll be using 568A today. Either one works for straight-through cables as long as both ends are the same. So here's the color order for 568A from left to right. Once you've untwisted the wires, use your fingers to gently straighten them out and arrange them according to the color code. Step 3. Cut and insert the wires. Now that your wires are in order, use wire cutters to snip off a small amount of excess, leaving about half an inch of exposed copper wire. Carefully push all the wires into the RJ45 connector, making sure each color goes into the correct slot according to the color scheme. There is usually a little diagram on the side of the connector for reference. Step 4. Crimp it tight. Here comes the fun part. Fun part ko no ha, di ba dyan? Take your crimping tool and insert the RJ45 connector with the wires in place. Make sure the little latch on the connector is facing down. Squeeze the crimping tool firmly until you hear a satisfying click. Bisag wala ba dyan? This crimps the connector onto the table and secures the wires. Step 5. Repeat and test. So guys, this is actually optional, no? Do the whole process again to crimp a connector on the other end of the cable. If you have an Ethernet cable tester, this is a great time to plug it in and make sure your new cable is working properly. And that's it! You've just made your very own straight-through Ethernet cable. High five ko no hay, mag-high five na unta, pero di ba jud? Piste man yun. Mag-ite, mag-opes. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe.